Oh my God. All right. All right. What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today we are at Kramer Elementary. It is career day, and I feel very honored and blessed to have the opportunity to come back once again and showcase a little bit of what I do daily. This has been a fun experience when I did it the first time, and the kids go crazy. So I'm super excited. Obviously, we have the fire department here, we have police, we have all sorts of careers, which is truly amazing. So anyways, let's start this amazing video. You guys excited? Amazing. So my name is Carlos Serrano. I own Serrano Mobile Detail. What do you think I do? Can anybody tell me what do you think I do? I wish I could. But aside from washing cars, I am also a YouTuber. All right, guys, we have gone through multiple kids already. It is overwhelming, but it's really fun though. It's really fun just because of the interaction, you know, of the kids, how excited they get just washing a car. And that's truly what makes this whole, why I do what I do, special. I love what I do. I love when it comes to teaching others, really the passion I have. It's really fun. So that's where we had to switch cars because the other one was already so clean. And so we got another vehicle from another teacher. All these teachers were like, my car's next, my car's next. But I was like, just two, please. But we're working on this vehicle next. We're gonna be foaming it and everything. So it should be fun. But yeah, let's keep going. if you've been thinking of doing this with your school, with your kids' school, I urge you to do it, right? Career Day is really a fun time for you to showcase your passion, to showcase your love to your detailing business, right? For me, it's always fun to just meet all these kids and seeing how excited they get when they see the foam come out, right? Or they want to just start washing the car. It's always just a positive feedback, right? And I hope if you're one of those kids that was at the Career Day today, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to showcase a little bit of what I do. So if you're one of those students from Kramer, hey, thank you so much for giving me your time today. I had such a blast meeting some of you guys. Your energy was beyond expectations. But now, let's get back to the video. Kramer Colts. Always remember, be the best example for your friends, for your family, and remember that you can be anything you want to be. Never let anybody tell you that you cannot be whatever you want to be. Chase your dreams. For the 5th graders who may be watching this, I wish you guys an amazing 6th grade and beyond. It has been such a pleasure getting to know some of you guys throughout the years. But as always, you are the future of this world. So go out there and be amazing. So thank you again for your time. And I hope you guys had a lot of fun.
It's recording.
Get y'all's 10 seconds.
You have a career. Ready? Go.
So what was the best part of today?
You being here.
Me being here. What did you like about it?
Everything.
Everything awesome. What did you like today?
That we got to clean a car and subscribe.
What did you like overall? Not just me, but like, what did you like about today?
Washing the car.
Washing the car. Who won today overall? Was it the car washer? Was it the firefighters, the police? Who do you think it was?
Both you and the cop car.
Oh, I won. I won overall today, guys. Let's go! Oh God, this is gonna be really hard. Anyway.
No!
Alrighty, guys, we are finally done. We are battling, obviously, the cops over there with the sirens and everything. But Career Day is finally done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of really what I did today. I had a lot of fun. Do you think your friends liked it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? What do you think they liked the most?
Like spraying the car.
The color, the foam. Yeah, they had a lot of fun with that, guys. So, anyways, I gotta let you go because I have to go to Cali. But I love you, and I'll see you in a couple days. I love you. So, anyways, you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching today's video, but I'll see you guys in Cali.